Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean again. I just wanted to come and share something with y'all today. I made my first pocket letter and did a swap, and this is my swap partner's pocket letter that she sent back to me. And as I started opening it, I thought, you know what, this is my very first pocket letter. I really need to do a video. Suzette was my swap partner, and she sent me some little extras in here, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Suzette. I can always use glitter ribbon. Who cannot use glitter ribbon, right? So, she sent me some gold and red. I'm going colorblind. She also sent me this really fun pencil I thought was so cool with jingle bells on it. And this one here that is like super blingy. It's I don't know what makes it shine like that, but it's really cool. I really like it. Thank you so much. And some napkins. I got some napkins. I've just started decoupaging with the napkins, and I think it's really cool. I'm just figuring it out, so lots of napkins are good, so I can practice. This is her pocket letter, and this is, well, it came in bubble wrap, but this is how I pulled it out of the bubble wrap, and I haven't opened it. I just took it out of the bubble wrap. But she wrapped ribbon around hers like this, which I think is an awesome idea, because I kept pushing mine back into the little pockets. So that was a really good idea. I like that. Made some little belly bands, I guess is what they would be called. Ribbon belly bands. But I like this ribbon too. I'll definitely be using that. Like I said in my other video I just got done doing, I use every little thing I can. That's part of the problem why I'm doing so many destashes. I got so much stuff, because I'm really bad about saving stuff. If there's a piece of paper big enough to use my paper punch and punch out the smallest butterfly punch I have, then I'll go, oh, I can use some of that. And I've got to stop doing that because I am getting too much stuff. So y'all check out my destash videos. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we got here. Oh, she put some pearls on the side. I love these pearls like this. I think they're so dainty looking. And she's got blue glitter paper all over. Check out that glitter paper, how it sparkles. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. She's got the word snow in some, looks like Thicker's letters maybe, with the glitter on them, and it goes across all the pockets. And she's got some snowmen and this real pretty snowflake here. Here's another snowflake too, there and there. And that pretty paper's got like a snowflake border on the top of it. That's so pretty. Look like she fussy cut out the snowmen. And then let's see, here in the center pockets, she's got some trees and a snowman. The theme was Snow Away, Snow Day. So I assumed it was about snowmen. I think everybody did. Most of them that I've been seeing are. I love these trees right here. They got glitter on them. I hate that the camera don't pick up the glitter that well, because this is really so pretty. It's got so much glitter on it. All the trees and everything. I don't know if it was on there when she fussy cut it or if she stickled it, but it sure is pretty. And then she's got the different little dimensions of the snow hills here. That's pretty. And she made some snowballs. And that's so cute. Right here, she's got the little snowman. Look like she fussy cut it. Going on a sled. Oh, look, there's two. It's two of them. The picture continues. I think that's cool. So it's like, oh, I see what she did now. It's like, this is the sky. And this is the ground down here. It's a whole scene, the whole thing together. That's so cool. You did such a beautiful job, Suzette. Thank you so much. Okay, I think we just had some technical difficulties. I'm having a hard time not laughing because remember how I told y'all my tripod broke? Well, I kind of engineered a selfie stick hanging from my glass rack over my counter to hold my phone so I could record videos, and my selfie stick just got tired and just let go and decided to fall straight down, and I was recording, and I don't know if I will edit that out or not. It was really funny, but anyway, I'm gonna try to continue where I was. I was talking about the pocket letter and how pretty it is, and I was just fixing to flip it over. And I didn't do anything else since the phone fell straight down. But anyway, I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, wow. Oh, everything is so cute. Up here in this first pocket is a little notebook. Isn't that adorable? I know she covered that. She probably made that. That is so cute. And then in the next pocket up here, we have some tea and some coffee. Oh, Starbucks instant roast. Wow, I didn't know Starbucks had instant coffee. Cool. I'll try that out. And right here, we've got, looks like a little envelope if I can get it out. Da-da-da. Oh, this might be a note. Let me check. Yes, this is a little note. Oh, thank you for that little note, Suzette. That was so sweet. We have a lot in common. A lot. Okay, she also included, oh, I gotta flip it back over to the front. I had a hard time with that when I was making mine, remembering to flip it over to get into the pockets. Oh, look at that glitter, isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that blue is. I like glitter everything. And, let's see, ooh, bling. Can't get enough bling. Got some little clothespins. Okay, and we're going to the next pocket, to the middle. And, oh, bling, more bling, yay. I needed that color too, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and some of the washi tape. You know what, when when it was wrapped in bubble wrap, she had this really cute washi tape wrapped, holding it where it would stay closed, and I sat there and real carefully pulled it off and wrapped it on one of these little things so I would have it for later. I'm like, I'm saving that, and now I even have some more. Yay. Oh, something else in here. What else? Let's see. Oh, some little people and a little tag. Snow, snow, snow. Isn't that cute? Some little journaling cards. Snowman, mittens, hot cocoa, and happiness. How cool. Thank you. We can always use little things like that when we're paper crafting. Oh, and a button snowflake. Check that out. That is so cool. Thank you, thank you. And stickers. Can't get enough stickers. Always use those in paper crafting. Oh, I love this little snowman. I actually used him on a tag that I did. I have a sheet like this, and I didn't want to use the one that I had, but it went so well with the tag I was doing. So I used it and sent it off, and I was like, bye, little snowman. Now I got another one. Yay. Okie dokie, let's go down here to the snowball pocket and see what's hiding down here. This is so cool. My very first pocket letter. Look at these stickers. They glitter. Cool. They're puffy too. I like those. Puffy stickers. There's another one. Ooh. That's cool. It don't have to be Christmas or winter to use that. Check that out. Alrighty, excuse my sniffles, y'all. I tell you what, I just don't know what to do with my sinuses. My doctors, I've taken all kinds of Zylol and prescription stuff, and since I stopped smoking last year, my nose hasn't stopped running. These are some little tiny wood pieces. Check those out. Those are so cute. I love those. I love everything. I'm so excited to get my first pocket letter. I can't wait to do another one. Matter of fact, I already signed up for a Valentine one. Check those out. A snowman, a snowflake, a star. You know what? I was just thinking, I don't think I put a note in my pocket letter. I don't think I did that. I think I put a card in with the whole thing, but I don't think I put a note in it. I forgot about that part. Whoops. Check this out. A snow globe. I like snow globes. That's a pretty snowflake. And some more stickers. Thank you so much, Suzette. I just love everything. And this is awesome. I went and bought me a big 3-inch D-ring binder to start putting my pocket letters in. I loved it so much. I was like, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna fill me up a book with pocket letters. So yours will be the first one in my big notebook. So thank you so much, Suzette. I really enjoyed swapping with you. I hope we can do it again sometime. Y'all have a crafty day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell beside it. Y'all have a crafty day. Bye bye.